She's an idiot. So, no, can't vote for her.
Kamala for sure. Kamala, yeah.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Vox for those who are new here. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. I don't take your support for granted. And guys, on today's video, we are diving into one of the biggest political questions. So, will Kamala Harris win the 2024 presidency? Let me know what you think. Let me know what is your view about it. So let's keep the conversation going down below. So stick around as we break down the factors that might make her the next leader of the free world. So before I start, let's first watch these small clips.
Kamala Harris or Donald Trump?
Donald Trump.
Why Donald Trump?
Why would anybody vote for her?
3 reasons why you think he's a better candidate.
He's a little loose cannon, but she's an idiot. So, no, can't vote for her.
What do you think about 18 million illegal immigrants?
They need to be loaded up and sent back.
Republicans or Democrats?
Republicans.
Who do you think is going to win the election this year?
My God, I hope that Donald Trump does.
Are you going to be voting?
Oh, absolutely.
Both of you guys?
Absolutely.
Oh, absolutely.
Donald Trump or Kamala Harris?
Kamala, yeah. Trump.
Kamala, but I think Trump's a charismatic leader.
Trump. I say Trump. Trump.
Kamala for sure. I'm not a Trump. Yeah, you know. Trump.
I think I would say Kamala. Trump is one hell of a character.
Definitely Trump.
So first of all, let's start. Let's talk about the Kamala Harris historic candidacy as the first female, first black, and first South Asian vice president. Harris has already shattered glass ceiling. A unique background resonates with a diverse coalition of voters who see themselves in a story. Representation matters, and Harris brings a perspective to the table that's never been seen before in the Oval Office. Harris' political resume is very impressive. From serving as a district attorney of San Francisco to becoming a California Attorney General, later a U.S. Senator, Harris has a track record of taking on tough issues. Her experience in navigating complex legal and political landscapes positions her as a seasoned candidate ready to lead on one day. But it's not about experience, it's also about the vision. Harris has consistently championed progressive policies, from criminal justice reform to climate action and economic equality. Our policy positions reflects the growing demands of the electorate, particularly among the younger voters who are increasingly leaning towards bold, transformative change. Demographics are changing rapidly in the United States, and Harris is well positioned to capitalize on this shift. With strong support among women, people of color, and young voters, she has the potential to build a broad and diverse coalition. As more minority groups become a larger share of the electorate, Harris' appeal could be crucial in swing states. So let's not forget our close association with President Joe Biden. Serving as his vice president has allowed Harris to be at the forefront of critical decisions and policy implementation. If the Biden administration is viewed favorably by voters, Harris could leverage these legacies to build a campaign presenting herself as the continuity candidate who can further Biden's progress. A winning campaign strategy will be very crucial. Harris and her team are likely to focus on a key battleground states like Georgia and Arizona, states that were pivotal in 2020. And with the ability to energize the base and appeal to swing voters, a campaign could chart a clear path to victory. So, and as you all know that no candidate is without challenges, Harris will face scrutiny over her past, especially her record as a prosecutor. Some critics may argue that she is too progressive, while others might say she is not progressive enough. And balancing these perceptions while crafting a unifying message will be one of our biggest tests. So my question is, will Kamala Harris win the presidency? While nothing is certain in politics, she certainly has the credentials, the support, and the vision to make it happen. But what do you think? Will Kamala Harris make history once again? Let us know in the comments below. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth political analysis. Until next time, bye bye.